The greatest weapon in the armory of modern medical science to prevent communicable diseases is personal hygiene and sanitary conditions in the community. Inspired by this basic principle, Arogya Foundation of India, with the US-based supporting organization Health Foundation for Rural India, initiated the project named Swachh Bharat Abhiyan in 16 villages of Bandra block in Lohardagga district and 60 villages of block Gola in Ramgarh district in Jharkhand.
अभी स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के लेके अभी काम चल रहा है कि कैसे हम लोग गंदगी से बचे, गंदगी के कारण कैसे कैसे बीमारी, कौन कौन बीमारी होता है, इस सब के बारे में अभी चल रहा है। तो सोख्ता गड्ढा, कचरा गड्ढा बनाने और प्रभात फेरी निकालते हैं। अभी भी गांव में, देहात में भैया अभी भी मैंने समझ में नहीं है कि हम कैसे निरोग रहें, कैसे स्वस्थ रहें, अपने ऊपर जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले पाए हैं।
The initial surveys showed that there were very little amenities for disposal of wastewater and of garbage, which is mainly degradable. There were pools of water near hand pumps and wells and clogged drains from where the water seeped into the water sources of these wells and hand pumps, rendering it highly infected with pathological germs, ova, and cysts of abdominal worms, leading to high rate of diarrhea, dysentery, worm infestations, typhoid and jaundice. The pools of water were mosquito breeding grounds, leading to malaria, chikungunya and filaria in these villages. All of them contributed to high rate of anemia in women and children, which was found to be above 80% in same villages during pilot projects for ameliorating anemia 2 years back. Children had unhygienic habit of taking meals without washing their hands. Either by washing hands with mud, they aggravated germs populations on them. Nails were uncut and clothes not washed for days together, leading to skin infections like scabies, fungal infections and boils. More than 95% and in some villages 100% people went for open air defecation. In this way, the infected soil helped in completing the life cycle of most abdominal worms. Adding to this was walking, especially by children, without footwear, exposing them to hookworm infestations.
Actually, the open air defecation is a very big problem because by this habit the soil is contaminated with the eggs of the worms, and moreover when the children especially walk without footwears, these worms, especially the hookworm larvae, enter into their legs and feet, and worm infestation is now become very prevalent in the intestines of these children and also in the intestines of the women. So if this open air defecation cannot be prevented, then it is difficult to control not only the worm infestations but the anemia also, which is a result of these worm infestations, especially among the children and women.
With this background, the project of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was commenced in September 2015. 60 Arogya Sevika to implement the project in her own village and 12 Arogya Sanyojika to monitor 5 Sevika. Each were selected and trained with the help of projector and PPTs in the first month. Sevikas are visiting Ekal Vidyalaya government schools and women at home for counseling. The children are taught cleanliness songs and sevikas check their nails and clothes, at the same time encouraging them for washing hands with soaps in correct 6 steps before taking meals and after defecation. They are also advised to brush teeth before going to bed at night. Weekly Sevika and Sanyojika organize satsang, at the end of which she holds a discussion on a health-related topic with the help of posters, 29 types of which are provided to every Sevika. When some senior health activists like state coordinator visits the villages, they deliver health awareness with the help of projectors. Every month, in all the villages, health processions are organized in which large number of people participate. Every month, a mega rally in a village of Bhandra block and Gola block each is organized, in which all the Arogya Sevikas, Sanyojikas, coordinators, activists and committee member of state, district and villages participate. This ends in a public meeting, and lastly, a feast is arranged by the host villages. Construction work in the villages has also commenced. More than 60 soak pits out of the target of 240 have already been constructed near hand pumps and wells, removing water pools near them. Toilets have been constructed by government, for which our Sevikas and Sanyojikas have facilitated. We have moved application for MP fund to the Union State Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, Shri Sudarshan Bhagat, for water pump and overhead storage tank and domestic delivery system with pipes in Semra village of Bhandra block, which we are going to develop as model village. Water filters are being distributed to those who have accomplished a major sanitary feat of constructing soak pit near their house and a waste pit, and also encouraged 5 more people to do the same. Though constant series of programs and meetings are bringing about the desired changes in all these villages, but to bring about a change in attitude and habit is a long-drawn process, and to sustain them needs longer support of at least 3 to 5 years.
से बचते सबके प्राण है, सफाई का ध्यान ही स्वास्थ्य का विधान है, इसे मूल मंत्र से